Engine shaking when turning off, often called dieseling or run on, happens because the engine continues to run briefly after you've shut off the ignition. This is due to fuel continuing to combust in the cylinders. Common causes include excess fuel in the cylinders from leaky injectors, high engine temperatures causing the fuel to self-ignite, or carbon buildup contributing to the unwanted combustion. Ignoring this can lead to engine damage, so identifying the cause is crucial. This issue is more common in older vehicles, but can occur in modern cars as well. First, consider preventive maintenance. Regular oil changes and fuel system cleanings can help prevent carbon buildup and keep injectors working properly. If the shaking persists, check for faulty injectors, dirty air filters, or clogged catalytic converters. Modern OBD2 scanners or AI-powered apps can diagnose pre-shutdown anomalies. Depending on the cause, solutions range from cleaning or replacing faulty components to ECU reprogramming or carbon removal methods like walnut blasting. If you're not comfortable diagnosing car issues, seek professional help to prevent further damage.